Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to find product videos for dropshipping. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open AliExpress. Next, locate the product from which you want to obtain the video. You can also search for the product directly. For example, I'm searching for a slim skin anti-fall cover for AirPods. Once you've found the product, open its page. Copy the entire title of the product. Now, switch to Google Chrome. Then paste the product title into the search bar. You will see the search results. Click on Videos. Here, you can find many videos of your product, and you can select any of them by opening it. Scroll down to see more videos. If you can't find the right video, go back to the product page. Copy the first part of the product title. Return to Google Chrome and paste that first part into the search bar. Here, you can find many videos of your product. Scroll down to check the videos. Once you find the desired video, click on Save as Video. You can download this video by clicking Save, and it will be saved on your computer. Alternatively, you can search for the product's video on YouTube. Open YouTube and paste the product title into the search bar. Here, you can find many videos of your product. Scroll down to check the videos, and you can select the video from here as well. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.